Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the migrations in Ruby on Rails. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So the migrations in Ruby on Rails are the way to manage the changes in your application's database schema over the time. They allow you to create, modify, manage databases tables and the columns in consistent and the version controlled manner. Migrations are written in Ruby, making the database agnostic and easy to work with. In a simple line, what we can say about the migrations: whenever you want to create a table into your database, migrations is required. If you do any kind of alteration, if you want to change the input text field also, you need the migrations. Okay, so that's very important, rather than you are going to create the tables into your databases, which is not good way. Okay, so any of your programming language, migration would be must. Don't go with the, go with your database changes, create a field over there. This is not the good practice. Make sure you have always the migrations in the node.js or any you are using your framework. So make sure you have to use that one, migrations level, right? So what are the key concepts? Migration files, schema versioning, and the reverse migration is also there. So migration files, each these are the Ruby classes that define the changes to be made to the database schema. Each migration file has a change method where you will define the changes. Schema versioning, Rails keep the track on which migrations have been applied to a databases using the schema migrations table. If I go and just check over here, we have the schema migrations. Okay, so here you can see that if I just logged in with this, we have the schema migration. So they have all the track versions. Okay, but next we have a reversible migrations. You can roll back the migrations also if you do something mistake over there, allowing Rails to automatically undo the changes if needed. Okay, so how to create the migrations? So Rails generate migrations, migration name. Suppose Rails generate migration, add price to the products. Price should be decimal. If I just copy and paste it over there, just control C or exit or quit. Okay, let's try to run this. Rails generate migration, add price to the products. Okay, so I want to add the price with the decimal. I think the price with the decimal is already there. Let's have a run. Invoked. Okay, if I go to the migrate over here, I will get this one. So here we go with the DB, where it is migrations. So let's check the migrations. That is add price. Okay, add column products, price should be decimal. Okay, migration, there's a definition with change, so I'm going to change with that one. Okay, so this is done. Right, product price. Migration methods, commonly methods used in migration, that is create table, drop table, add column, remove column, rename column, change column, add index, remove index. So these are commonly used methods in the migrations. Mainly what we have tried to do: indexing, rename column, add column, change the column name, something we have to do now in the migration. So these methods are mostly good, I guess. Okay, so example, how to create a table. Okay, so define the change, create table, products, do t. So here you have to define your tables. T to be string name, price, stock quantity, and their type should be string, decimal, integer, whatever. This will help you to create the table, right? Adding a column. So this is a change like add column. So whatever column you want to add, you will go with this one. Okay. Removing a column. So remove column. What column you want to remove, you can go with this one. So okay, all of these could be a new migration files, right? So renaming a column. So you want to rename a column, you will do like this. Running and the rollback migrations to apply the migrations. What we can do, Rails db migrate, so that all migrations will be applied. If you want to roll back, then roll back this one. Okay, so schema dump, Rail keep track on the database schema in the db schema.rb file. This file is a snapshot of the current state of the database schema. You can regenerate it using schema dump. You can regenerate this one. Okay, reversible migrations. If the migration needs to be reversible but isn't automatically, you can define the up and down methods. So add detail to the products. Currently, what we have done, we have add price to the product. So I want to create the add details to the products, then add column products description and remove column description. So if I have this one, so it could be like reversible. Okay, So Rails generate migration, add details product to description text. So it will give you that one. Okay. And then run db migrate. Rails migrate. Then how we can verify the migrations? Product.columns.hash keys. It will give you the all the keys. Let's do this one. So I want to add the column. Okay. So I need to run the migration file. So this is my migration file. I'm going to run it over here. So add details to the products. So this is run migrate, add details to the products. So here we have add details to the products, add column products description in the text. Okay. This is done. Let's add our code over here. Okay. So only I will define up and down, rest we will remove. Change is already there, so let's go with this one. Okay, add column product description text and define this one. This is done. Now we have to run this db migrate. Let's run it. Error, duplicate column name price. Add price to the products. Add price to the products. Add price to the products. Okay, so I will add price to with decimal. Okay, let's try to run. So I think there is an issue in the db migrate task. In add reducible syntax error, unexpected end of the input, end and dummy end. Okay, let's try to figure it out. We have add products to the details, I suppose. Definition up, definition down. Something else we missed. Add details to the products. Let's check each and everything. Add details to products, active record, definition with the end, and one end is missing, I suppose. So let's add the end. Okay, save this. Let's try to run this again. And everything is sorted. Okay, so go with the Rails console and check otherwise I will show you with the database also. Let's they have the functionality. Let's go with the verify this product dot columns dot hash keys. So it will give me the keys. So we have a ID, name, price to quantity, created, updated, price to, and description. Here you can see everything is added. So very important migrations into your project, right? So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video so that I can put more efforts in this series, right? So thank you so much. Have a great day.